Oh no, oh my god. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are here. You don't know what this is. This is the green puzzle piece, which is now on a desk. There's also a blue puzzle piece. But anyways, we are doing an unboxing video. And if you read the title, you probably would know what the unboxing video is. But if you haven't read the title, let me get it. That's right, we got an NVMe enclosure. Hello everyone, it's me 7Zeb and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing something. Specifically, we're going to be unboxing this cool, I don't know how to pronounce that brand name. XIAOBI. I don't know how to pronounce this. Anyways, this is a 10 gigabit M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, which supports M and B&M keys and sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 SSDs. And here's the model number. BIM217. As you can see, it says some more information right here. Apparently, it came from Spain. It's pretty weird. I don't know why there's. It came from Madrid apparently. I don't know what. Oh my god! I dropped. Anyways, we've got UK. Apparently, it's also British. Okay, that's a very oh my gosh, my camera will not focus in on this. Camera, I'm pointing a thing. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna ignore that. Okay, I'm fixing the camera. Hold on. Alright, hopefully I fixed the camera. Now we can try reading what the UK thing says. Okay, there we go. No, that did not work. Okay, come on. Focus the okay. This is the best we're gonna get. It's an Enfield. Okay, that's strange. Anyways, we have all of this. Apparently, it's in English, French. That's not Dutch. That's German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese. I don't know. Oh wait, never mind. This is made in China, obviously. But anyways, yeah, we've got this. Let's unbox this for once. So we're gonna be unboxing this from this little sticker thing. Oh my, I need to get this tape off. But you might be wondering, why did you buy this? And I bought this to use for this M.2 SSD. This is an M.2 SSD I got from the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 14 API. And I can't put it into my main PC. Well, I can, but I don't really want to open up my main PC, so I just bought this thing. So we're gonna unbox this thing. So yeah, and I'll be back after I get this tape off. Alright, we've done the hardest part. We have gotten the tape off. Let's now unbox this. There we go, nice. Let's see what is inside. So the first thing we got is a cable. It looks to be a USB-C to USB-A cable, USB 3.2. We've also got this thing. I don't know what that is. We'll find out later. And we have also got in the box. Let's just empty the box out. We have got the NVMe enclosure itself. And is there anything else? Well, there's got to be instructions, right? Yeah, there's probably instructions. Oh, there's something in there. Don't know what that is, but oh my god, you can't see this, but I'm doing the advanced method of getting stuff outside. Warm notes. For a new hard drive, it needs initialization. Okay, cool. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna be unboxing this and this. So I think first we will open up the charger, or not the charger, the cable that this thing uses. So let me open this up. Okay, come on. There we go. Then we can take this cable out, push this, No, it closed again. Okay, great. That's so great. Anyways, we will now reach inside and grab our cable. Oh my, why is this so hard? Okay, you know what, we're just gonna break this plastic. There we go. Hopefully this thing works because I've broken the plastic. Okay, so this is a cable and it's pretty interesting. We've got this random thing here, which is really crazy. Apparently this is a USB-C to USB-A. I can't take it out with one hand, but let me take it out real quick. Alright, so I've taken it out, and as you can see, it just sticks to the side here, and it is a pretty cool USB-C to USB-A adapter. I kind of do wish the cable was a bit longer, because yeah, it would be pretty nice if the cable was longer, but it's fine. But what I do wish was that I wish that you could just detach this thing. Oh my gosh, get off. I stuck to the tape. Okay, I wish you could detach this thing from this, because think about it, you would be able to easily like just make anything a USB-C to USB-A adapter. It would be pretty cool. But yeah, we've got this, which is pretty good, I guess. So yeah, pretty nice cable. We'll set that aside and we will grab this thing. This appears to be a heat pad. That's what I'm assuming it is. It's a heat pad for the SSD. And now we're gonna unbox the enclosure itself. So let's go ahead and take the tape off. Then we gotta reach inside again, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, like this? How do we... Oh, there we go. We gotta pinch that like that. Like you're opening a Walmart. You know those ones where you put the produce inside of Walmart? You gotta open it like that. Oh. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, now it's gonna be like we're opening a wrapper. Watch this. I don't open wrappers like that, just gonna say it. And here is the NVMe enclosure itself. It feels... I don't know if that's metal or just cheap plastic. I mean, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. This costs like $11, $12 on Amazon. There's also a silver one which costs more for some reason. I don't know why. But let's open this up and we're gonna see if my SSD fits. So hopefully it does. So this is the inside, and I'm assuming we grab our... Oh wait, this is not the SSD. That's the heat spreader or the heat thing. Then we grab this thing, and I'm guessing we put it in, and then we put the heat spreader on. I'm going to grab the instruction manual though, just to make sure, you know, because I don't want to do this wrong. Alright, so apparently there are 2 fixing clips in here, so we might need those. So yeah. Welcome back. So we've got it installed. It looks pretty nice actually, but you can't really see the SSD because there's a thermal thing, and also this is metal. This is actual metal. So yeah, we're gonna grab our awesome cable here, and oh yeah, we don't need USB-A. We're gonna be using USB-C, which should make it faster. So let me plug it in, and we will see if it works. So yeah, I'll be back on my PC to see if it works. Alright everyone, it is showing up. Here is my normal C drive. There's my normal C drive. That's Google Drive. That's a USB flash drive, but here it is. Here is the USB for Windows. We've got AMD stuff. We've got users. We've got an old V project folder, which I don't know what is inside. There's a lot more stuff in here. Maybe there's in gallery. What is there? Let's see. There's a lot of stuff here. Cache clip, audio, all that stuff. Looks to be fine. I mean, I wanted to see where is everything else. Give me access. I have to run UAC. I'll be back. But yeah, all my files are here, so that's great. Yeah. So yeah, it works pretty well. It's pretty fast. Like, yeah. It's pretty fast. We can go into drivers quickly. it can load up everything. And yeah, that's pretty cool. We can find program files. We've got all this stuff. Let's go. So yeah, all my stuff is working, and yeah, I would say that this is a pretty good NVMe enclosure. Now, it wasn't showing up at first, but that was just because Windows saw it as a system disk and didn't want to show it. So what I had to do is I had to go into disk management, right click the partition, and give it a drive letter. So I gave it the F drive letter. So yeah, really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna see how well it actually is, because I'm gonna try to use it, and I'm also gonna see how warm it gets. So yeah, I'll be back.